Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. And in this video, I had an interesting chat today with an amateur in the Midwest of the United States about how to get your club interested in Parks on the Air. He was telling me that he goes to his local club, he talks about POTA, LOTA, all the programs out there, and it's a crickets. No one is interested. So how do you get your club, your local ham radio club, interested in Parks on the Air or any other program like that? That's a tough challenge, especially for a lot of local ham radio clubs that are very set in their ways. They're interested in talking about their repeaters, whatever packet radio, whatever else is out there catching their interest. A lot of them don't like these portable ham radio programs. Ham radio clubs don't normally talk about DX or DXing HF most of the time anyways. So it's an ongoing challenge to figure out how to get your local ham radio club interested in these programs. So my recommendation to them was, hey, find a few guys and start your own club. I know lots of Parks on the Air people have done that. They started their own ham radio club, broke away from the local clubs that have no interest in it, and they start their own. Doesn't take much to do that. No, here in Canada, it doesn't take much to do that at all. You don't even need do anything formal. You could just be called a group, like the guys in Hamilton, Ontario do with their Parks on the Air group. So it's a small little group of them. You can get a club call sign from the federal regulator very easily here in Canada for that. You don't need a lot. You just got to pay the $60 fee, and between 20 guys, you all chip in a couple bucks, and there you go. So instead of trying to push that boulder up the hill, just find a new hill and roll down it. Find a couple of guys that are interested in doing portable ham radio, and it could be 2, 3, 4 of you. It doesn't matter. Just find a group of people and start something and have fun. Don't stress out of trying to convince your local ham radio club, who may be full of crusties. Remember that word from a few months ago? They have no interest in this stuff. I know here in our local area, there's absolutely no interest. There's me and Peter, who are not members of our local club. And then there's another guy in Moncton who goes out every once in a while, which I think he's a member of the local club. But other than that, there's nobody else here that does it. So there's no interest here at all. So we just made our own hill and slide down our own hill. Don't worry about pushing the boulder up the big hill. There you go. There's my recommendation. Instead of trying to convince your ham club, start your own. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. Enjoy these videos. Leave a comment below. If you don't enjoy them, hey, still leave me a comment. I always want to hear back from you. Have a great day, everyone.